Guys, this is HackTech. In this video, you're gonna learn how to start ethical hacking. Before you start ethical hacking, you need to create a lab for ethical hacking. For that, you need to have some requirements. Let's check what those requirements are. You need to have a system. In that system, you need to install a VirtualBox. In that VirtualBox, you need to install an operating system called Kali Linux. What is VirtualBox? VirtualBox is an open source software. And what is Kali Linux? Kali Linux is the best operating system for ethical hacking. About this VirtualBox and Kali Linux, we're going to learn in upcoming videos. Let's start installing VirtualBox. For that, you need to open Chrome and search virtualbox.org, and you can find here left side downloads. Click on downloads and you can see here VirtualBox platform packages. That means if you have a Windows platform, you need to click on this one. If you have a OS X host, you need to click on this one. I have a Windows, so I'm clicking on this one. And download this one. It will take some time. VirtualBox is downloaded. Now open folder. Double click on this one. Installing process is very easy, guys. You need to click next, 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 next and install. Next, next, next. Yes, install. Click on yes. Installation is done. Click on finish. Let's open VirtualBox. I have already installed this VirtualBox. That's why I have these two virtual machines. In upcoming video, you're gonna learn how to install this Kali Linux in VirtualBox. That's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, want to hear from me again, to be sure to hit subscribe button before you go. Thank you.